Hey guys, how y'all doing today? It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon. Not sunset yet, but getting there. I'm outside enjoying my backyard for just a little bit, y'all. I want to share with y'all what's going on in this backyard. It rained a few days in a row, and I'm telling you, everything is responding. I just have to let y'all see. All right, guys. The boysenberries. Look how green they are, y'all. They still have flowers. It's gonna turn into the boysenberries, which are forming right there, green. And the okra, y'all, sprouting up there. Another okra. And believe it or not, a tiny little one over there. I'm so proud of them. And I don't know what seeds are growing over there, y'all. Remember, I planted some last week, so that's blooming from the rain. And I do believe that them little bitty ones there are watermelons. The watermelon seeds sprouting. So I'm all excited about that. No, I need lots of watermelon growing, and I think that's it. It's a matter of wait and see what all happens. And my mint, my chocolate mint, growing so beautifully by itself. And I believe there's a flower up in there somewhere. I have to wait till it blooms to see what kind of flower it is. I planted some. My beautiful rose is coming and going with the rain. My bitter leaf and my big tree, y'all. I was so upset about it getting cut when I was in the Gambia, but it's growing back, y'all. See? Figs, little figs trying to come on now. So I'm excited. So hopefully I'll have some figs this year that I can share with the squirrels. Look at that. And another one over here as well. See? I just love figs. Just sometimes you don't get what you want because you have to share it with the animals and sometimes the insects first. Like my okra. See, far away but close. See? This is my red okra. Green. Red. They're doing very well. They like that rain. When the rain comes, then you see what's all gonna shoot up like Jack and the Beanstalk look like when they just start sprouting up. I hope they grow like a bush and get strong. Yeah, I do. Looking so good. To spray the leaves after a while, but I don't think I'm gonna spray them tonight. But more okra at the bottom. I can't wait to see this container be full of okra. I'd be so happy to be able to cook okra one time without an issue. I usually end up having okra a little from my garden and then have to end up getting it from the store. Who knows with what's going on in the world if I even have fresh okra in the store this year. Might have to be stuck with frozen okra if I'm lucky enough to get it. But anyway, y'all, I just felt motivated to come out here and let y'all see this beautiful garden do its thing. I even have peppers trying to grow, I believe. This is my sunflowers growing by themselves every year. Well, guys, until next time, have a wonderful and blessed end of your weekend. Peace. Peace. If you have not subscribed, please do. Comment, like, share down below, and plant something. Grow something. Grow what you eat what you grow. Whether it's a tree, seeds, seedlings, whatever, y'all. Bye.